minute. Is it recording? Yeah, now it is recording. Okay, continue. No problem. We will continue as it is. Good, good, good. Ajay, you have got lot of dadi and all this. Um, is this the way you maintain yourself?
No, sir. Actually, I am having French cut
Ah,
shave. Actually, I used to with this since 6-7 years, sir.
acha. Good, good, good. Very nice. No problem. Now, um, we have been talking more about your Yes Bank, Yes Bank, Yes Bank for a longer time. Tell me something about ICICI Bank experience.
Actually, sir, ICICI is the also a good organization, and experience was my good, where I've learnt a lot, like as operations thing, and I have also done some sales also. So I have learned there very well how need to handle customer. एक्चुअली सबसे पहले स्टार्ट आईसीआईसी से किया था सर, तो वहीं से सीखा मैं सबसे पहले जो भी है वो यहाँ पे आके इम्प्लीमेंट किया उसे यस बैंक में. दैट वाज द गुड एक्सपीरियंस, बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मी. एंड इन डिमोनेटाइजेशन आई वाज द सिंगल पर्सन इन ब्रांच. I mean, as a senior authority, I was a single person at the branch in ICICI. That was also a very positive experience for me. So I learnt a lot, and I thanks to ICICI always, who has given me this type of learnings, like as
Good.
operations, sales.
Hmm. Good, 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 good. So now coming to State Bank of India. What do you know about State Bank of India? State Bank of India का बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं? About State Bank
Actually,
of India.
sir,
Yeah.
State Bank of India, who was informed uh, in 1955 by SBI Act, and right now chairman is Mr. It's the biggest bank of in India, who is
Hmm.
having most branches all over India. Approx branches are 20 22,000, approx 22,000 branches,
Hmm.
and 58,000 ATMs as
Hmm.
well. It's the single bank of India who is having in list of Fortune 500 banks of the world.
Hmm.
It's the only bank of India.
Hmm.
So it's a very good thing for us to be having a one bank from India also. And it's a banker of every Indian.
Hmm.
I mean, sir, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यदि कोई भी पर्सन यदि बैंकिंग के बारे में स्टार्ट होता है, मतलब सीखता है छोटा सा भी, तो वो
Hmm.
सबसे पहला नाम जानता है स्टेट बैंक या एसबीआई.
Correct, correct. Good. Then something more. You must be able to tell something more about its headquarters. Then you should tell about their YONO app. You should also tell about
Yes.
the corporate social responsibility of them. कुछ ना कुछ बताना है ना?
यस सर. एक्चुअली सर इसका हेड क्वार्टर है सर बॉम्बे में, और इट्स हैविंग योनो ऐप. योनो मींस यू नीड ओनली वन. इट्स द वन एप्लीकेशन हु इज हैविंग ऑल द फैसिलिटीज फॉर यू.
Yeah. Acha. Now, can you tell me about corporate social responsibility?
CS responsibilities, like as I have seen latest example where they are providing yono printed marks to every customer who is visiting in their branches.
Acha.
So it's a very good thing for us to see this like this.
Okay. Then no, इसमें corporate social responsibility को definition properly देना है. See, corporates are supposed to allocate 2% of their total deposits. Above 500 crore, say profit on say, they have to segregate 2% of their deposits. I mean, a profit for corporate social responsibility. Under corporate social responsibility, what they do, various things like say giving education, free education to people, and also maintenance of parks, maintenance of roads, whatever social welfare activities that are required for the people are carried out by by the banks. Not only banks, by the limited companies. For example, Reliance, Airtel, and all, they are all also supposed to earmark some funds for corporate social
Yes, sir.
responsibility. It is a must. समझ गया? Yeah.
Yes sir.
Very good. Why are you interested in joining SBI? Hello? Hello? Why are you interested in joining SBI?
Actually, sir, I'm interested to join SBI because it's first of thing, it's the biggest bank of India, who is having largest branches. As well, sir, I need to serve. Actually, I like to serve more peoples, and I want to connect more peoples in my life. It's my hobby to satisfy and get blessings from everyone.
Hmm. Good,
So
good, good.
SBI is a brand name. SBI is a brand name who is giving me this type of vast ground to work
Hmm.
for. As well as, sir, I am getting less salary, so I want to be everyone work for money, sir. So
Very,
I like to be part of SBI for that, sir.
very good, very good. Excellent. Now, are you? Do you know the advanced terms? What is meant by pledge?
Actually, sir, pledge is the thing. I mean, we are having possession of that security. Like as an example,
Hmm.
in gold loan, we are pledging the gold. I mean, we are having that gold possession with us. In case of any of default, we can sell or auction that
Super, super,
security.
super, 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 super. Are you giving jewel loans in your branch?
Actually, in ICICI,
You are giving. Hello, you were giving in ICICI, not here.
no,
Hello,
sir. Right now, we don't.
in
Yes,
S
sir. No.
in S Bank it is not there. Acha, acha. Good. Um,
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me about the latest changes in MSME sector definition?
Yes, sir.
Uh, are you able to hear me?
Hello. Yes, sir.
M
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
MSME sector definition. Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Take that.
MSME is the
Yeah.
sir, MSME is the sector where we have to disburse different type of loans to different type of companies or firms like as micro, small, and medium enterprises, where
Good.
we are having different type of three type of segment and variations in that. Like as investments of company is 1 crore and turnover is 5 crore, which is called micro, and investment of company if 10 crore and turnover is 50 crore, which is called small, and investment of company is 20 crore and turnover is 100 crore, वो मीडियम कहलाता है सर.
नहीं उसमें गलत बोल रहे हैं. I think MSME में there is some other definition. The last definition में थोड़ा problem हो गया. MSME definition. Last one. First two I think you told correctly. Last one में थोड़ा I am not remembering things.
Actually, sir, I have searched this. Actually, I have discussed it with the 3, 4, 5 persons. It's updated on 6th August, sir. 6 अगस्त को अपडेट हुआ है और ये 20 and 100 का हो गया सर.
20 and 100. One minute. No problem. Let us wait and let us learn about this. Okay.
Maybe I
Kindly,
may be wrong. I'm also
maybe
not.
no problem. If you are wrong, also there is nothing wrong. We should know what is it, what is the correct position, so that you will not tell the same thing in the other one.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Medium units now investment up to 50 crore and turnover below 250 crore. I am giving the links
Okay,
for
sir.
that.
It's updated.
I am giving the link for
Okay, sir.
that. One doesn't matter. I know what you are telling is wrong, but I cannot correct you because
I'm writing it, sir.
I don't remembering it. अभी I am इसको link दे रहा हूँ उधर. इस
Okay.
हम तो link दे दिया. 1 minute. Here, micro means annual turnover is less than 5 crore. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
1 minute. I think manufacturing, there was they have removed the definite distinction between annual turnover and this. 1 crore to 5 crore, 10 crore to 50 crore, 20 crore. You told 20, correct. Investment 20
Yes, sir.
crore,
I told 20.
investment 20, correct. Turnover 100 crore.
100.
100 crore लिखा है. अरे बाबा क्या? In one place they give like this. Oh, maybe we have to clarify that. Let us get that clarified. Maybe some other listeners who are watching it will also go through and tell. But I have made another blog for this also. MSME sector. Good. Now, coming to general questions on interview, what are your strengths?
Actually, Sanjay, my strength is my patience, my adaptability, and my leadership thing where I used to with, and I like to be apply the same in my whole life of banking, where I have got very good results by my patience and my adaptability.
Good. But sometimes patience is a weakness, is it not? When you are too much patient, others may take too much advantage of you. What is your reaction for this?
Actually, sir, patience is a good thing when you need it. But if someone is crying on you and if you are not wrong, then you have to be break your patience also. You have to be handle. You have to know both the situations, patience and impatience. If someone is not able to understand your situation, your issues, then you have to be follow accordingly.
Good. Now tell me, what are the ancillary services that banks normally provide and why they provide it?
In ancillary services like sir, I know something about agriculture. Like as agriculture, we
That
are
is a
providing.
no, that is a major function at giving advance. That is not ancillary services. Main function of bank is to accept deposits from public and make advances. Ancillary services
Yes, sir.
are locker facility, then
Okay.
bank assurance facility, remittances facility,
Okay.
and merchant banking, like that.
Okay.
समझ गया? And banks have
Actually,
subsidiary services like housing finance, all those
yes, sir.
areas. समझ गया?
I didn't get your question, sir. Actually, I know the answer, but I didn't get your question
Very
properly.
good. Doesn't
Thank
matter.
you, sir.
Now, tell me about SEBI. What do you know about Securities Exchange Board of India?
Uh, Actually, sir, SEBI is the Security Exchange Board of India, who is handling our demat operations, like as any of shares like related issues and transfer of shares and different type of depository participants. Like as we are having Yes Securities right now with us, and they are handling, they are controlling, and they are giving guidelines like as RBI guide to banks.
Hmm. Oh, very good. In other words, SEBI is the controlling authority for stock exchanges. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
have you heard of the term IPO?
Yes, sir.
What is
It's
IPO?
initial public. It's
Hmm.
initial public offering. Like as a company get registered in SEBI for issuing their shares, then he need to register as a IPO, and he fixed that price that we are having IPO at 300 rupees, and you need to auction or register that yourself for a single lot, two lot, three lot. It depend on you, and uh, I mean they are having एक डेट फिक्स कर देते हैं, वो इस डेट को आईपीओ ओपन होगा, उस दिन यदि आपको अलॉट होता है तो वो आपका शेयर हो जाएगा और यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद दैट विद द लोअर एंड अपर प्राइस, एंड यदि वो अलॉट नहीं हुआ तो आपका पैसा रिटर्न आ जाता है.
Good. What do you know about merchant banking? Have you heard about it?
Merchant bank.
Merchant banking or
Actually, I
these
heard.
merchant banking services
I
or what we are now discussing, like helping the companies raise money
merchant
from
banking.
helping the company raise
Uh,
money from the market. I mean, merchant banking subsidiaries will help the companies prepare
Yes,
prospectus
sir.
and approach Securities Exchange Board of India on behalf of the company, get the approval of the SEBI for issuing of IPO. Sometimes they underwrite the shares. Underwrite means they undertake to contribute certain percentage of the issue, and then they go out for a issue in the market by giving advertisement in the newspaper, and also through media. They collect the money through correspondence or through other banks, and then the share allotments
Yes,
are
sir.
being made. So that is merchant banking. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes,
Good,
sir.
good, 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 good. Very good. Now, why should we select you as SBI CBO officer?
Actually, sir, I don't know why should you select me, but it's my positive thing that I am having experience of vast experience of banking. Like as where I have worked in operation approx 3 years, like as in different sectors in agri, where I worked in agri, gold loan, as well that I promoted as a branch head, where I'm having knowledge of sales also, as well. In beside of that, I am having good patience person, where I have handled, as an example, I have handled a moratorium situation in Yes Bank, demonetization in ICICI, and good adoptive culture I am having, where I worked in Maharashtra, and I am well affluent with Marathi also in 3 years there.
Good.
This is my capabilities. Sir.
No, no, but one thing, you should not start with hesitation. You should tell with confidence. I know we don't feel like boasting about ourselves, but in the matter of interview situation, you should tell boldly without it being seen as a rudeness. Could you follow? Yeah, good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Tell me about an accomplishment you have made recently.
Sir, right now I have won the life insurance award in June month.
Oh,
In our Yes, sir. Actually,
yes,
I
bank.
have awarded by reason. Yes, sir. I awarded with regional head and got appreciation mails in loan against securities less, sir, from our zonal head, Mr. Abhishek Misra.
Mhm,
And in ICICI, I won gold Mahasangram,
mhm.
where I have done gold loan of 1.40 crore rupees in a
Oh,
single month, sir.
very good, very good,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. You said loan against securities. Can you, I am not remembering what it is. Can you explain about that?
Yes, sir.
What is
Actually,
that?
loan against security, that loan against securities, it's a term, sir, where you have to be assign your securities, like you are having insurance policies, you are
Oh,
having mutual fund with you, then
oh,
they will be assigned with the consent company, and they will be giving you loan against it. Like
mm,
it may be 70%, it may be 65%. It's depend on your policy, and where you have invested in
mm.
growth fund, in lesser growth fund, or I mean different type of funds. They observe it, they analyze it, and they provide accordingly LTV, sir.
No, but one thing, you have told reverse order because you are a banker. So you have to say loan against securities or security or loans that we are giving, taking the securities as a charge. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on,
Yes, sir.
hold on. Hello, hello. Yes, please. இல்லையே பட் நான் எனக்கு ஒருத்தருமே கன்ஃபார்மே பண்ணலையே. Nobody has told me. இல்லையே. Nobody has shared the information to me. Hello, வேண்டாமா, I'm not coming for this drama and all because you people don't do your jobs properly and put me into blame. Sorry. இல்லம்மா, அதாவது ஆம், நீங்க அவங்க செய்ய வேண்டிய ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி செய்யாம எங்களை போட்டு படுத்தினா நான் என்ன பண்றது? எனக்கு வேண்டாமா, காசே வேண்டாம், விட்டுடு. Thank you. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Yeah. Some other call. Some Somebody wanted um, sessions, but they have not provided me any material. And how can I go about
It's
that?
okay.
Yeah, good. Tell me about your dream job.
Actually, my dream job is right now. My dream is SBI and to be having a good position like as zonal head or regional head in upcoming 7 or 8 years. Sir. Actually, it's a very prestigious job, and a to be a scale 4 or scale 5 officer in SBI. It's my dream in next 7 to 8 years, and it's everyone's dream to be a AGM or DGM of SBI. If you tell someone,
Good,
it's a very positive thing for
very good,
person who is listening in front of you.
very good. Are you married?
Yes, sir. I got married last year, sir.
Acha. You have a child now?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Right
Acha.
now, no.
ठीक
Right
है.
now.
Good. And how many siblings do you have?
Sir, I'm having one sister who has got married 3 or 4 years back, and one is my younger brother who is still preparing. Actually, he has done BTech and is still preparing for some government exams.
Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is your father?
Actually, my father is a government servant in Ayurveda, sir, Rajasthan Ayurveda.
Oh, right. Now, this is not very relevant for this interview. Phil B, last question to you. Imagine this corona has come to this world in the year 1960, 70 and all. What difference it
Yes,
would have made if corona-like situation has come
yes, sir.
in 1970s? What difference
Yes, sir.
it would have made?
Actually, sir, I think that if it comes in 1960, 70, that the consequences of that was is very much bigger. मतलब काफी ज्यादा इसके खतरनाक परिणाम हो सकते थे उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे अवेयरनेस और जो आजकल डिजिटल अवेयरनेस अपन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं वो चीजें उस टाइम पे नहीं थी.
Good, good, good.
This is
Digital.
a
Digital point you have to bring. Good, very good. See,
uh,
actually,
one more
yeah, tell me. Good, very
one
good,
more
very
thing,
good.
sir.
Hmm.
As a banker, I see that then in 1970 our economy will मतलब इतना solid नहीं था हमारा economy कि इस चीज को grasp कर पाए सर इस level पे. Right now our economy is more sustained, so we can easy going with that.
Good. Any other point? No, no, I would,
Uh,
very good.
no,
What
sir.
you told is right. I had in mind this digitalization only. Now we are able to communicate like this. ये तो नहीं हो पाता था. It would not have been possible. समझ गया? Then,
Yes, yes,
and the next point you said was very interesting, that 1970, the country was not in this position as far as food supply is concerned. The
yes, sir.
reason why they are introducing this food securities bill now is that farmers bill is that now our food production is okay, so they can manage to sell it to outsiders also. So
Yes,
that situation also would have affected our country. And another advantage would have been, because there is no television, there is no internet and all, इतना हल्ला पल्ला भी नहीं होता था. समझ गया?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes, sir. Sure.
एक जगह पर सुबह हो गया तो सुबह का पहले भी इधर पता हो जाता है. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what
Yes, sir.
this
Sure.
problem.
This is
So that way, that is also one difference it would have made. We can think on these lines, and if you can get some more
yes, sir.
points, you can send it to my email ID. I will throw this
Yes, sir.
question to other candidates also. So very nice, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Murali Joshi. That there was a
Thank you, sir.
person in your name in the central government. What was the position he was
Yes, sir.
holding?
Sure, sure.
What was the position he was
Actually,
holding?
he right now he is
Yeah.
a part of BJP, but sir, he is not holding holding any position right now. Actually, he is having age of 87 or 88 years. He is equal to Lal Krishna Advani, Mr. Lal Krishna Advani. Earlier, approximately 15, 20 years back, he was the Human Resources Development Minister, and he has won many of times elections from Varanasi. He is a well-known person in Varanasi, Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi. Earlier, he was a physics teacher, well-known physics person, and they have worked in uh, university. I'm not able to recollect the name, but right now they are the very prestigious person in Bharatiya Janata Party.
Good. Excellent. You have done really well. We have talked for about 30 minutes roughly. Best wishes.
Yes.
Thank you. You be
Thank
preparing, you be reading a lot. I have provided you material in the link. You are aware of the link? Hello?
Yes, sir. I am aware
Yeah.
about it.
And
Yes, sir.
download and read. And in case after shortlisting you want, you can get some more materials also that you need to read. But only thing is, you must know more about State Bank of India. You must know. I have not touched advances purposely because I found you were not very comfortable in advances. So I have not gone into that area like balance sheet,
Okay.
ratio analysis. So if you want to know the questions regarding that, you watch my credit officer's interview. आपको कुछ understand मिलेगा. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Sure.
So
Sure,
best
sir. Sure.
wishes. I will give you
Thank you.
9 out of 10.
Thank you very much, sir.
Whether they give you job or not, that I don't know. I can give you 9 out of 10. Best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you
I,
very much, sir.
I
Thank you very much.
enjoy talking to you. Best wishes.
I also, sir.
Thank you.
I like
Bye.
your blessings all.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank
This
you. Have a
will
nice
be
day.
this will be saved and then posted in YouTube. You can see that.
Okay.
Best wishes. You are done. You are not done it badly. You are done very well only. So you should feel proud about it. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I have to switch off.